Hi everyone, my name is Carlos Balmaceda and welcome to my YouTube channel, SQL Portfolio, where I want to help you become a skilled data analyst and create an impressive portfolio. Imagine having a comprehensive tool that allows you to explore, analyze, and visualize your data in real time. That's exactly what Looker Studio offers. It empowers businesses to gain deeper insights, identify trends, and spot opportunities for growth, all through a user-friendly interface. From startups to enterprises, Looker Studio is used across various industries to transform raw data into valuable insights to drive informed decision making. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at Looker Studio. I'm going to be using the bike share data from the Google Data Analytics Capstone project, and I'll be visualizing the total write count for each month in the year 2022 using Looker Studio. Starting from BigQuery, I'll run the syntax to pull the data. Now I'm ready to visualize the data, so I'll click on Explore Data and then Explore on Looker Studio. Because both programs are integrated, Looker Studio automatically generates a few charts. First, I'm going to click on Add a Chart and choose from a diverse range of chart options. I'm going to pick the bar chart. You're going to notice that it automatically displays 10 bars instead of 12 for each month. To fix this, I'm going to click on the Style tab and then adjust the bars total to 12. Now let's go back to the Setup tab and look at the other options. If you look at the date range dimension, this lets you specify a time frame for data analysis, focusing on specific periods for insights. For example, you can choose a specific time frame like March 2023 to analyze website traffic data. Here, dimensions are typically non-numeric data such as dates, categories, locations, or any other descriptive information. That's why I have the month selected instead of the write count. The drill down option is like zooming in on data. For example, if you are looking at the overall sales for a country, using the drill down option lets you see more detailed data like sales for a specific city. The breakdown dimension allows you to categorize data. This allows you to group data into different subsets. Here, the metric is a specific measurement or numerical value that helps track the performance of a process, system, or entity. That's why here I have the write count. For my specific chart, I simply selected the month as the dimension and write count as the metric to create the chart. But let's keep looking at the other options. Here, optional metrics are custom calculations that users can choose to include or exclude from their data. For example, in a sales dashboard, you can add an optional metric to calculate the average revenue per customer. Next, metric sliders are interactive controls that lets users dynamically adjust specific values in dashboards. You can move the slider to instantly update the data and explore different scenarios. Here you can sort the data, and the bar chart filters are interactive controls that allows you to narrow down the data displayed in a bar chart. You can apply filters to the bar chart to include or exclude specific data based on certain criteria, such as date ranges, categories, or other data attributes. For example, in a sales bar chart, you can apply a filter to display only sales data from a particular region or for a specific product category. Cross-filtering is when you choose something in one chart and it automatically updates the data shown in all the other charts to match your selection. Change sorting refers to modifying the display order of data. This lets you arrange data based on specific metrics in ascending or descending order. Lastly, zoom allows users to focus on specific subsets of data. For example, in a line chart showing sales over a year, users can zoom in to view sales data for a specific month or week, providing a more detailed view of the sales performance during that period. Here we have the Style tab, which is used to customize the appearance and formatting of the data, allowing you to adjust colors, labels, and other visual elements. You can adjust the bar chart to be vertical or horizontal, how many bars you want displayed. Show Data Label lets you display numerical values directly on the bars of a bar chart, and Color By lets you change the color of the bars. Here we have the reference line section. For example, if you have a bar chart showing sales by product category, you can add a reference line to represent the average sales value. This reference line will appear as a horizontal line across the chart, allowing you to quickly see how each product's category sales compare to the average. In this section, you can change the display of your axis, the chart spacing, the X and Y axis title, change the color of the grid, the label and axis font size, color of the legend, alignment of the legend, the background color. You can change the background color to be lighter. And here you can have your header to always show or only show when you hover over it. In conclusion, Looker Studio is a powerful tool that transforms raw data into valuable insights through a user-friendly interface. It allows users to explore, analyze, and visualize data. I'm going to be creating more videos that explain some of the features in more detail, so stay tuned. And if you want to know more about how to create a heat map, click on the link above or check out my video, How to Create a Heat Map in Looker Studio. Lastly, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video. Your support not only helps the channel, but also helps me create more content. I hope I was able to earn your thumbs up, and thank you for watching.